Do it again.
Take him home. Let's kill him. Look, he quacked. Did he quack? He quacked, huh? Did you hear him?
It's too big.
He made a quacking noise.
No,
that's
this
the
one
other
over
one.
here.
They say share with me too.
It's like, that one looks like it's a cross between a duck and a...
Who was taking the food? This one was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe he's cool.
No, he was just talking to your dad.
Ah, that one's gonna get mean. Oh my gosh. That one wants some. Throw it at him. Just throw it at him. He's talking to you. Quit, honk. He honked. He's scared because the other one's Mom. He honked at him.
Come get it. Honk. 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 Honk.